How to fix can't sign into Netflix error. Let's get started. First, make sure you are entering the correct email address and the password. Watch out for caps lock, typos, wrong account, or email. Try logging in from a different browser or device to confirm it's not a device specific bug. Next thing you want to do is reset your password. Once you're on the login page, click on the option Forget Password and go through the process to reset your password. This might fix your issue. Next up, check your internet connection. For that, launch settings. Now navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Also, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next up, clear app or browser cache. If you're using Netflix in the browser, click on three dots, head over to the option settings, navigate to the option privacy and security, click on the option browsing data and delete it. Next thing you want to do is if you're using Netflix in the mobile device, you'll need to completely delete it from your phone and again reinstall it. Press and hold on the Netflix app, click on delete app, click on delete. Then navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Netflix. After app appears, download it. Lastly, what you want to do is check for account issues. If your subscription has expired or there is a billing issue, login may be blocked. Go to netflix.com on a browser, try signing in and check for any account messages or payment errors. Update your billing info if needed, and that's it. This is how you can fix Netflix login issues. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.